Hello there, I'm Scott from We Sometimes RV with Scott and Joy. Today I've got a project, but I'm not sure exactly what to do, so I would appreciate anybody's advice or assistance in coming up with a final plan. We have our awning lights, as you can see, are at the end of the awning. But we don't always put the awning out. It might be a little too windy, or we're just not in an area that, because I'm kind of close to the tree right now, that we can put the awning out. But we do have a light switch inside the RV for the awning light. What I have purchased, and my intention was to install an LED light, an LED strip along the bottom, and connect it to the wires right here that are going to the awning light. So when we turn the awning light on, it would also turn that LED strip on. The question I have, and I'll show you the kit that I got, it's by Latch It. I've seen a couple of videos on it. It seems very reliable. You can even change the colors and all that. But if I turn on the awning light from the inside, so it turns on the awning light at the end of the awning, will that heat up if the awning is closed? Or should I disconnect those wires? I'm not sure what to do. So I'd like your suggestions on whether to hook it up that way or whether to try to run another wire from the inside to supply power for the new strip. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified next time we have videos coming out. Leave your comments below and be sure to smash that like button. Thank you. Have a great day.